So in this video, I will show you how to clear cache from CapCut. So after you open the CapCut, make sure you are in a window like this. Don't open a project. So after you open the CapCut like this, go to the settings at the top, go to settings again. So under settings, now in this option here, it says cache size. So if you wait for some second or for some minutes, it will give you all the size of your cache. So after it gives you all the size of your cache. So now it will give you, as you can see now, the date range. It says 30 days. So if you click on this option now it gives me only for 30 days in this option. If you want to see for the 90 days, you can choose 90 days. Or if you want to choose for those 15 days or 60 days, just choose the range in this option. So for me, I want to delete for only 30 days. I'll click on this 30 days. So if it finish counting, just click on this delete button. So here it says clear cache files. It doesn't affect the use of history project. If you need to use stickers, effects, and other material, you need to download them again. So means that all the fonts, all the stickers, all the all effect you downloaded in the CapCut preset, you have to download them again. So it won't affect your project. You can see now. So if you click on this delete button now, it will start deleting all your. So now it will start deleting all my cache in my CapCut. And that's guys. Hope this video helped you to like and subscribe.